Hello guys, today we prepare another Italian recipe, the sweet fried semolina. Spectacular. This is from north of Italy. But now let's see the intro. We need 1 liter of milk, 220 grams of semolina, 120 grams of sugar, plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, the skin of half lemon, 2 eggs, and crumbled bread, and naturally the oil to fry them later. Now we put the milk on the stove, we add the sugar, the skin of the lemon, and when the milk is very hot, near to boiling, we can add the semolina. We mix very well. When it becomes thick, we should cook for 10 minutes. After we remove from the fire, we add the eggs and we will put in a baking pot, but I'll show you later. Okay, now we are putting the baking pot. We should wait that it become cold. With a spoon deep in the water, I make the surface smoothie. If not, it will be like this. Now we should wait 3-4 hours that become cold. Probably I will deep fry tomorrow because now it's late. So you can do this one day in advance. I don't know if you have noticed, I have also added 1 tablespoon of amaretto liquor to give more taste. Keep attention when you cook the semolina. You should stir continually, if not they stick on the bottom of the pot and burn. And When you should put regularly, mixing very fast, because with the camera in the middle, the last 2 spoons that I add, they become like a small ball inside the dough. If happen, don't worry, you can remove it with a spoon or with a fork when you are mixing. Okay, see you later to deep fry our semolino dolce. When our semolino, or in English semolina, is cold, we remove from the baking pot and we cut in rhombus. After, we dip in the scrambled egg and in the bread crumbs, and after we deep fry our semolino. Spectacular, soft inside, a little bit crunchy outside, very yummy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. If you subscribe to the channel, you can see all these fantastic Italian recipes. Bye bye!